Hi everybody, my name is David. I'm a co-play frontier from the Genesis group. Today I want to give you guys a market update. So far, Bitcoin has played out pretty much what I thought it would play out, almost to a T. Please check this out right now. This was from the previous video 3 days ago. Yeah, here it is. Well, we have that situation. It hit the red line, is moving up. Maybe it could get to like 43, between 43 to 42,000. It's gonna hit the green. Okay, I don't know. Well, I must have been tired at the time. Actually, I was. Even now, I'm tired, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. But here, I said that Bitcoin could go back, hit that green line, and it's gonna be between 42 to 43,000. 42 to 43,000. Let's check the price. Here, well, we'll use this, and boom, it went pretty close to 43,000. Very close. And if you watched the previous video here, which was 3 days ago, I did say that if it was 3 days ago, it went up to the green line again, it would have been like over 43,000. But the longer it takes, obviously the green line is trending down, therefore, the price of it going up will be lower. And so the longer it takes, it's going to be a lower price, which will be between 42 to 43,000. Well, we got that. And then I said, well, we're going to go back to the red line. And obviously, if you look at the red line, it's trending up. So as it goes down, it won't be as low as the previous line. And so what you see here, you see that right here. Okay. You see that right here. And so if I do that, I want to show you guys pretty much what that is. I didn't do. Okay, hold on. Right there. And what this is sometimes it's better I show you what you're looking at. This is going up this way, and this is going down this way. And so imagine it can bump back up, or it wouldn't matter. It could go this way, but eventually it's going to boom, go down. And what that is that right there. Literally is what that is. So if you can't see this and this, what this is right here, let's disregard that. It's okay, you guys remember this. You just saw that. Once again, you see this line going up this way and the price channel going down this way. It hit almost 43,000. And so it's going to go back down, which it just did go back down. It might, move a little up or sideways. It wouldn't matter. But once again, around halfway through, well, not halfway through, but sometime next month or early June, I expect it, boom, plummet down and just drag the green line under the red. And discard that. And remember, even when if you look at the previous videos, trying to see if I have it, if I could find it. Yeah, it's too far back. But anyway, if you look at the previous videos, before Bitcoin made this move up, I said Bitcoin was going to hit that green line. It's going to hit that price. Just check all the other, previous, the videos before. And you can see I was calling for it, and it's going to come back down. Then I called for it to go back up to the green line, and it's just played it out. just as expected. So Bitcoin is doing what it's expected to do. What do I expect Bitcoin to do? Well, let's look at what, and this is by Crypto Crew University. So far, everything you've seen is what I've been looking at from charts I've gotten from Crypto Crew University. And you see this blue line here. Okay, check out that blue line. That's what I want you guys to focus on. Because when Bitcoin can't hold that Fibonacci line, what happens is it goes under into the yellow, and then it just stays between the blue and the yellow for a while. Maybe almost, you could say, like around a year. Granted, the line is moving up, yeah. So that's in 2021. Okay. Oh, this is a 2014 move. You had this move up here, move up there. That's in 2014. When it came down, once it couldn't hold this lower Fibonacci line, what did it do? It got stuck in between this channel. And you even had a wick that went under the yellow line. Okay. That was what? That happened in 2011, 2014. Okay. Here. Hold on. Oh. Sorry. Okay. No, that's just this one now. Okay. So if you look here, this is the 2017. Okay, it boom. Once it couldn't hold the blue line, it got stuck there. Now, granted, it did move out of the blue line after, like, it didn't stay in there as long of a period of time because you had the 14,000 run up, but it did go back down under. Couldn't hold the blue line, and this time you had a strong wick. That was that COVID wick. A big wick underneath the yellow. Went back, messing with the yellow line for a while, and then we had our current run here. Okay, and that's what you're seeing, right? Well, now look at now. Okay, this is the last cycle we're in. No, this is correct. We're here now, and if you look, this blue line is at $47,000. All right, we're under $40,000, and this candle right here needs to break above 47,000, I think, by like today or tomorrow, or today, which is sad. Well, in Asia, we're we're like 12 hours ahead, at least where I live, Eastern American time. So let's say Sunday my time, where I'm at in the world. And that means what are the chances that Bitcoin's going to jump up to 47,000 by Sunday Korean Standard Time? Very, very unlikely. And so once you have the strong print of a candle, what are the chances, especially next month or before mid-June, I believe, you're going to have a candle, it's going to boom, it's going to go down. And I think we're going to have one of, like, in between May and July, you're going to have one of those strong wicks that goes under the yellow line right here, and it's going to bring it back up. That's what I see. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I think will happen. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing, and I gave you the reasons why. Okay, if you look at optical arts, you would have this. It's kind of old, but well, it's like I got this from last night, but $39,247 will be strong support. We went down to $39,173. Okay, so we broke a little under 39,200. Okay, so what I'm saying is it went under some of the bigger, stronger support lines, but it's just a wick. But in general, what I do expect Bitcoin to do is, yeah, you could try to move up. I really don't care what it does. I'm just not in the market personally, because I still expect in May to mid-June, Bitcoin's just crashing down. And you're gonna see 30,000, 20,000, whatever. But I imagine by July you're gonna see Bitcoin go down to that 20,000, even probably maybe even lower. And what caused Bitcoin to go down from 42,985 to what it is now? Is Jerome Powell was saying, hey, we want a 50-point interest rate. We want to move to a 50-point interest rate on the next Fed meeting. And all the market did is it just priced in that raise in the interest rate. And actually, that's what they need to do. They really need to raise the interest rate much, much higher if they want to fight inflation. But the problem is you fight inflation, you're going to kill the markets. So you're going to be, he's stuck between, a rock and a hard place. Is rather you kill the markets or you kill the average person through inflation. Which one are you going to do? Now, to be honest, the right thing to do is just kill the markets, raise the interest rates, go up to like 20% on the interest rates, kill the markets, kill the S&P, the Dow, crypto, just kill it all, let it run down, but you're going to bring down inflation, but a lot of businesses will go bankrupt, but you need to break it down and find a good floor on the bottom and then let the economy recover from there. Right now, what they're doing is they're just artificially, inflating the markets. That's why you have all these fake artificial prices. That's why when you see Bitcoin go down to like 2017, 14,000, who knows, that's what it should be. But you see the inflation in prices because they just printing, they're printing money and they're not raising the interest rates high enough, trying to keep these zombie companies alive. But at the end of the day, if you're not letting things work on this free market, you're really just you're creating Frankenstein in the markets, and it's not natural. This is all artificial. It's all artificial. These prices are all fake. It's all pumped up by just printing money out of nowhere. Now, I'm just letting you know what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin. Just check out my videos for the past months. I mean, it's not like I've been wrong. I think I've been pretty right for the most part. So, now let's look at KOK-COIN. I think we got to go to like 14 minutes on KOK-COIN to explain what's going on. Between, around that $2.70 mark. Then, if KOK-COIN gets dragged down to those levels because the whole market is just getting crashed and trashed, then in the next bull run, KOK-COIN will be going at least up to $27. Okay, so whatever I said was, unfortunately, KOK-COIN already got dragged down to $2.90. And if you want to know what $2.90 is, you got to just move to the left. And so you see this long period of time right here to here. Okay, I said that if when Bitcoin goes down to like 20,000, it could drag KOK-COIN down to this price channel right here. And really the lower end of this price channel is about $2.80. Or well, if you count the wicks, $2.71. Okay. And I mean, this is a really long price channel right here. It was stuck in here for a while. That's why I said it's really strong support. And then you had KOK-COIN go down to $2.90. And if you notice, it's in this channel. Now, if KOK-COIN just came down to this, when Bitcoin goes down to 20,000, I would have said that's still healthy. It looks good. Unfortunately, KOK-COIN went down here, sooner. And that's not a good thing, but we'll see how KOK-COIN recovers. I will show you what I see. Okay, I will show you exactly what I see. So, tell you the truth, there's actually a pretty good chance that you might see KOK-COIN make a big move up. Okay, so here you have a channel here. You have this channel here. Oh, well, hold on. Okay, like this. I'm sorry. Early in the morning, I'm just not on point with this. Okay, you have that channel there. And so you have a channel like this. And then you have a second channel like this. Hold on. Oh, man, it's a rough morning for me. I'm sorry, everyone. Okay, that's kind of what you see. All right. And so what happened was KOK-COIN went down. It broke underneath this channel. And it made a move up and came to the second channel. And as KOK-COIN's going down, it kept testing and broke into the previous channel, but it managed to pop out. Okay. Now, let's say it's like basically what I see. Get rid of all this crap. And if you look at like that, if you see this channel, or maybe it's a little too far down, but basically all KOK-COIN did is it hit the bottom of the second channel. It hit the bottom of the second channel. And in a good situation, if we look at in a best case situation, which, I think this can happen. I really do think this can happen. Don't be surprised. Remember, I'm saying this first. What's going to happen is you see this second channel. You could say KOK-COIN pierced through it. Okay. It can do it again a little lower, but eventually it's going to pop up. Boom. And what's going to happen is, you have one channel here, second channel. You're working on let's say like a third channel. And KOK-COIN is going to pop up and go into a fourth channel like that. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, 3, and you might see KOK-COIN. It just wouldn't surprise me. You could see the movement. KOK-COIN will move up to a fourth channel, and you'll have a rounded bottom. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. Okay, so we'll see how it plays out, but it wouldn't surprise me if that's what KOK-COIN does. The plunge protection KOK-COIN crew might just roll on in. And if you look at KOK-COIN now, it is back to 322, but obviously you want to get back to these levels. But that pop-up can bring it up. That pop-up can bring KOK-COIN over $4 and go into a fourth channel. So hopefully that's what will play out. All right. And that's it. That's it for the market. Okay, if that doesn't play out, I'm gonna tell you when Bitcoin goes down to like 20,000. Once again, it might not. It might not. I'm just telling you what I see in the chart. KOK-COIN can go to the lower end of that big channel I showed you, to that $2.71, and then even go break under, because it already did it. It already went down to $2.90 while Bitcoin is still around 40,000. So, but you gotta hope. We're, you know, looking for KOK-COIN, which it wouldn't surprise me. I think it probably will go into a 4 channel. Okay. So there you have it, everyone. Please, please take good care of yourself. Take good physical care of yourself. Okay. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. And what I'm doing, from what I'm seeing, is like I'm out. The only thing I hold is KOK-COIN. Everything else is just boom. I'm out of the crypto market. Um, I see it going down. We'll see. We'll just check. Just in mid-May, not mid-May, just sometime May to mid-June, when I think, I'm pretty positive it'll play out. I let you know that was happening. It was coming. And yeah, KOK-COIN still is okay. I'm really just seeing where the price of KOK-COIN will be when Bitcoin is going around that 20,000 mark. And we'll see from there. All right. How well KOK-COIN reacts to that drop, it's gonna really say a lot about probably its price pattern, or how well it's gonna do on the next bull run. But right now, KOK-COIN as a platform, as the executive working on the platform, all the deals, everything, Medium, Coke everything, K Stadium, it looks phenomenal. All right, it looks phenomenal. What I see is, like, imagine you see a company that, it makes revenue, is making all the right deals, is making all the right purchases, uh, but yet the stock market is not treating it that well. Trust and believe, when you see those type of situations, the market will correctly treat it properly, and that's just how it always plays out. Now, once again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. But, I've seen these situations in the past. And Coke does look incredibly healthy in terms of what it's doing in business-wise. And so I'm not worried about the price. I think it's going to do just fine. And hopefully it goes to the 4th channel. Now, also, please just, take good physical care of yourself, exercise. My throat is much better now. So all of you who pray for me and was wishing me to get better, thank you. God bless y'all in Jesus' name. And, take good spiritual care of yourself. Take good mental care of yourself. Please, surround yourself around with the right people. And yeah, everyone, when it comes to inflation, and depending on what part of the world you're in, it's going to get even worse. So you might want to prep up for it. All right, Coke family, everyone else out there, love you guys. Praying for you guys. God bless y'all. Coke on. And also, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, and check out the previous channels for price, what I said I thought would happen. And you'll see that a lot of it played out. So, I'm just saying. Okay? Yeah, God bless you on Coke on.